We want rain standard first. Subscribe Learning Funda. Let's start the lesson. We want rain. The dark cloud was in the sky. The peacock said, "Please rain, I want to dance." The fish said, "Please rain, I want more water." The farmer said, "Please rain, I want to sow the seeds." Raju said, "Please rain, I want to sail paper boats." The cloud rained in a shower. The peacock danced. The fish swam merrily. The farmer started planting. Splash, splash, splash. Raju and his friends enjoyed sailing paper boats. And had a wonderful time in the puddle. The cloud filled everybody's heart with joy. It moved on. All the children waved goodbye. Subscribe Learning Funda for new videos. Like, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video.